This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the camera and putting it into setup mode so it broadcasts a provisioning signal. This is why you must confirm reset or pairing LEDs. Once done, open the camera app and grant permissions. The app needs Wi-Fi and location to discover local devices. Make sure you pick the correct network. Many cameras only support 4 GHz because frequency incompatibility prevents connection. Now tap the Add Device or plus icon to begin the guided pairing sequence. You will now complete the core pairing. Use the app's QR or sound pairing method if offered, since these automate credentials and reduce manual errors. When prompted, type the network SSID and password exactly as registered. Small typos or stray spaces often block access. If the camera asks you to connect to a temporary hotspot, switch Wi-Fi networks briefly and return to the app after it relays credentials. Make sure the app shows the camera's assigned IP and a steady LED before proceeding. You finish by registering the camera to your account, updating firmware, and setting a strong administrator password to secure access. This prevents unauthorized viewing. Then tweak motion zones, recording schedules, and notification sensitivity so the camera acts intelligently for your needs. If the camera fails to stay online, reboot it, forget and rejoin the network on your phone, and retry pairing while closer to the router to rule out weak signal. Contact support only after these targeted troubleshooting steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.